Hey everyone, welcome to a journey that will transform the way you think about fitness. Are you struggling to find time for fitness in your busy schedule? Do you often feel overwhelmed by the demands of work, family, and daily responsibilities? I get it, life can be hectic. We all have those days when it feels like there just aren't enough hours to get everything done. But what if I told you that you could revolutionize your fitness routine in just 15 minutes a day? Yes, you heard that right, just 15 minutes. Introducing the Fit in 15 series by Traintonic. This innovative program is designed to fit seamlessly into your busy life, offering quick, effective workouts that you can do anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, Traintonic has got you covered. Get ready to unlock a healthier, more energetic you without sacrificing precious time. Join us and discover how just a few minutes a day can make a world of difference. Let's get started. Our Fit in 15 series is designed for busy people just like you. Each workout is only 15 minutes, but packed with powerful exercises to maximize results. Whether you're into high-intensity interval training, love a good yoga session, or want to build strength, we've got you covered. Our routines are perfect for all fitness levels, from beginners to pros.
I never thought 15 minutes could make such a difference. Just a quarter of an hour each day has transformed my life in ways I couldn't have imagined. It's incredible how such a small time commitment can lead to such significant results. I've lost weight and gained so much energy. Thanks, Traintonic. My clothes fit better, and I feel more confident. The energy boost has been phenomenal. I can now keep up with my kids and enjoy outdoor activities without feeling exhausted.
The variety keeps me motivated, and the community support is amazing. From yoga to high-intensity interval training, there's always something new to try. The camaraderie in the group sessions is fantastic. We cheer each other on and celebrate every milestone together. I'm fitter and happier than ever. The joy I find in my daily workouts is unparalleled. It's not just about physical fitness, it's about mental well-being too. Every session leaves me feeling accomplished and ready to take on the world. With expert guidance from certified trainers, you'll get professional tips and tricks to perform exercises correctly and safely. Plus, you'll join a community of like-minded individuals who support each other's fitness journeys. Ready to transform your life? Visit our website now and join the Fit in 15 revolution. You'll get access to all our workouts, exclusive fitness tips, and a supportive community that keeps you motivated. Don't wait! Click the link below to get started on your fitness journey today. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your workouts to the next level, we have something for everyone. Our resources are designed to help you achieve your goals efficiently and effectively. Download our free Fit in 15 starter guide, which includes easy-to-follow exercises and tips to kickstart your fitness routine. Subscribe to our newsletter for exclusive content, including workout plans, nutrition advice, and success stories from our community. Follow us on social media for daily motivation, fitness challenges, and inspirational quotes to keep you going. It's time to make fitness a fun and easy part of your life. Join our community of fitness enthusiasts who are transforming their lives one step at a time. Whether you prefer working out at home, in the gym, or outdoors, we have the resources and support you need to succeed. Let's make fitness enjoyable and accessible for everyone. Join the Fit in 15 series today and see the results for yourself. Remember, it's just 15 minutes a day. What are you waiting for? Stay fit, stay healthy, and transform your life with Traintonic's Fit in 15 series. See you there!